Sigabahan ka sa kumanghuli.
Ako may nagpalit. Mag-atang ko sa mag-edis.
May live na pwede siya.
Adin mo live. As a vlogger.
Black ka eh, black ka.
How can it was unprioritization? When you know it was target, you know it was fine. You don't know why it happened. 19. Ay, gusto ko tarungan ka tao mo. Gusto ko tarungan kay.
Hallelujah, tao rin yung black eh.
Sana nga ginaginig ko na magtaro. Nakatapay na ko. To be honest, lead him the way. English na.